Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I will be sharing my one of my favorite Chorafali chutney recipe. If you will try Chorafali with the chutney, then you will love it. So here I am taking two handful of mint leaves, one handful of dhania, that is cilantro, and some green chili, that is Thai chili, a very spicy one. And here I am taking one half cup of chilled water. You can use ice cube as well. So now we will make a thin paste like a puree. And now into the pan or kadai, I am adding 3 teaspoons of besan, that is chickpea flour, and we will make a smooth batter by adding water. So first add a little water and just make a thick paste and then add more water. So now we can see it's coming together and it's a smooth batter. So now we will add around 2 cups of water. So this batter will be very thin as we are gonna cook on the stove. So here I have added one more cup of water. Now you can see it's very runny batter. So into that I will add a salt to taste. Now onto the stove on a low medium flame I will cook this chickpea flour until you see like it's become like a thick. Now keep stirring. Once you see it's got start thicken up, it won't take too much time. Now it's getting thick. So now at this point when it's almost cooked, we will add citric acid, that is Limbu phool. So this chutney is very like spicy and tangy, and it goes well with the charafari. If you will try this chutney with charafari, you will always ask for this chutney. So meanwhile, I have added around 1/8 teaspoon of citric acid. Now the batter is cooked and let it cool down completely. Just make sure it's a very at the room temperature. Once it's completely cooled down, we will add that green paste that we have prepared and just keep mixing. So once you see it's like runny texture, this is perfect as it will be little bit thicken up once it's once you will serve. You can keep in a refrigerator or add a ice cube because it's so cold. So do try this Chorafali chutney recipe and let me know in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.